we do the R gesture. Open from the heart to the surroundings. And you try even to connect to what's behind the periphery. And then we take our shoulders a little bit back to invite what's behind the periphery to stream in. And receive it through our arms, and we feel it also in our legs. And let go. That's one element. And this experience we want to remember when we do the Ha afterwards. So let's do it one more time, just to tell us this experience we want to keep. So Ah, reach the periphery, go behind the periphery, and now invite the periphery to come towards you. Let your arms go and still feel this. Just relax your shoulders a little bit, just lift it and let it a little bit come down. And again lift it, let it a bit come down. And the third time lift it and a little bit come down. We do the R gesture, R. Behind the periphery, we receive it. We use our shoulders to take them back, and we give the Ha forwards into this R. We let it rise, and we receive the answer from above. And you remember the R gesture. And this helps us that we stay big. Again, come to the heart. Open your gesture with the forces of your heart. Ah. Let the energy ray in. Use your shoulders. Take them back and send the Ha into the Ah. Let the arms rise. Receive the answer of the Ha. And remember the R gesture and the connection to the periphery. And let go. We do it 2 more times and then we finish. R. Ha. And now remember the feeling of love from the Love E exercise, and let you bring slightly a little bit forward reverence while you're doing the Ha. Come into the middle through this love energy. A little step forward or backwards, and the last time. Ah. Receive. Ha. Remember the R, the arms of the R. And now let this love stream come in. Reverence. Let go with your fingers towards the earth. Feel your heart. Let your breath react. And sit down for a moment to listen to the resonance. How do you feel now? What pictures come to you? Do you have the feeling we didn't do much? Or does your body say, oh, we have worked quite a lot? If he says, we have worked quite a lot, does he like it? Is it exhausted? Or richer? In which way? Do I feel pain somewhere? And where do I feel good? Are my hands and feet warm or cold? Is it the same on the left and right side? What about my head? Is it bright, awake? Or satisfied somehow? Things like that you can ask yourself.